Hi everyone, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and today we're doing a card and it is the happy birthday sentiment from Anna Griffin. We're using her Empress Gild, her machine, her hot foil, and this is perfect palette antique hot foil papers or foils, and this is the other colors that come with it. And we're ready to make some cards. So on this one I have it set for 2 minutes because I tried it, and I'll show you while this is working. I tried it and it was a little too hot for 3, I think. I'll show you what I cut this into a small size, and I'll tell you all about it while this is heating up. Okay, so let's push heat. Okay, so we are using these cardstocks of Anna's. It is the color drenched cardstock, and they have the let's see what colors we have: French blue, fresh lilac. This is the green one, but the card's upside down, and the peonies pink. So we're using these, and I'll show you my examples and why I went down to 2 minutes. So this is a 2-minute one, and it's perfect to me. Happy birthday to you. This is a 3-minute, and I had to erase some. I'm going to still use it, and I'm going to use an embellishment and hide that little piece right here, or cut it out with a die. This one looks pretty perfect as a 2-minute. The 3-minute, not so much. Now this is her paper, and it was the luxury pearl matte foil, and it was too hot, too long. So I said, well, maybe I had it on the wrong side, so I flipped it over, and you can't use it again on the heat press. You could reuse it and hide what's behind it for something else, but not for this, and it was too hot. 3 minutes is too hot. So the 2-minute for me on these two worked perfect. And since we're waiting 22 seconds, remember, if you share any of my videos of Anna Griffin, I have extra dies from last year's mystery box, and I give a die away that's worth $45 to $65. I give it away each month if you share my videos and let me know, so that I can put you in the giveaway drawing. Okay, it's ready. So we're going to put it in my Empress machine, and we're going to run it, and we're just going to squeeze it together and make that gold fit on here. So let's see how it turned out. I see not one mistake. 2 minutes for this one was good. Last week was 3 minutes. So yeah, so this is hot, so we're just going to leave that alone, and I'm going to show you what my machine looks like. I'm going to unplug it and show you my heavy machine. This is the Empress Elite that I'm using, and it goes with that. You buy them separately, of course. So anyway, guys, I hope you like this, and the next video part of this will be cards that we made with this. Thank you.